All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T-350 XLT model, the 12-passenger van or wagon with 23,000 miles. It's beautiful white with black cloth interior, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Does seem to have a dent here, about 3 inches. A little ding there, less than an inch. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little dings there. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. The tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter here does have a dent about 3 to 4 inches right there. All right, the rest of it looks pretty good. Another dent here about an inch. All right, and that's about it. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check that. Under 730 seconds, above 4. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump in here, get the keys. Jump in here so I can turn it on for you guys. You can check on instrument clusters and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos. Oops. And owner's manuals. All right. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn it on. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls over here, which is just a cruise. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure, and your lights. And your mileage is 23,942. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Sure the doors are unlocked. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. This door looks good. This rear door both doors look good. Does have a little thing here. You open it up and doors extend all the way out to your little stompers there. This is what one of your doors looks like. Boom, very nice. So of course what your rear trunk space looks like, or cargo space looks like. This is what one of your other doors looks like. Very nice. Keeping it moving here. This one doesn't close first, actually, this one. Boom. All right, this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Hubcap. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds, about 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. So of course, what your door, oops, one of your doors looks like right there. Boom. Here's your other door. Boom. Here's your car passenger space. Here's your first row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your second row, and likewise on your third. All right. And then you got rear running ACs, and you got your AC controls right there. Here's of course what your front passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. And your front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is under just at 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car looks good. Folks, once again, this is the 2016 Ford Transit T-350 XLT model 12-passenger wagon with 22,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please do not hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.